Hi guys, we are ready to go somewhere. Magpapa-laundry kami and then on the hunt for malapit na meat shop. Yan ang mission ni Daddy Ram. Kasi sa bangkerohan kami usually bumibili ng meat, diba? So we'll see, baka may malapit dito. What's wrong? You want your glasses?
Give me my glasses.
Give me that. So helmet, shoes, glasses. Let's go. Na kami guys, ito yung nakita ni Daddy Ram nung dumaan kami, kaya check natin kung same price ba talaga ng bangkerohan.
$240 ang kilo, sir. 240. Nami, one whole mga tagpa 30 ang kilo.
Beef na amoy beef.
Pork siya, ma'am. Pork lang.
Bumili kami ng bread guys sa panadero. And disappointed si Daddy Ram. Kasi yung bangkerohan price, hindi daw bangkerohan price guys.
It's just a marketing gimmick, that's all. This is like NCC price, you know, supermarket price. So much different.
It's a prank pala, it's a prank. Do this one, let me open it. Sit here.
Really like prank me.
Dito na kami sa bahay and bread para kay Ryan. Cheese bread. So ay choco bread. Yan. Yung saymada. Kasi alam niyo na nagugutom yun pag uwi. You want to eat bread, Daddy?
Yeah, give me something.
Which one? Cheese bread, choco bread, and saymada. Choose.
Choco bread.
Choco bread. Okay. I have a challenge for you, Daddy Ram. Okay? You have one bite of choco bread and one bite of cheese bread. Then, we'll see how it goes. Kasi hindi yan stop sa kanyang sarili. One bite only, okay? If you ask more, I won't give you.
Like that.
Put it back. Put it back, ba? Cheese bread. Bread challenge. So?
Both also good.
Both good? Okay, that's enough. Give me.
I'll finish this one.
Which one is better? Which one you like more?
Both good, different taste.
Okay. So, yun nga guys. It's a prank ang ating bangkerohan price na chicken. Kasi at least, if may available na malapit dito sa amin, hindi na kailangan pumunta rin Daddy Ram sa bangkerohan kasi ang bangkerohan 30 minutes away from our place. Medyo malayo. It's a prank naman pala. Na-compare namin NCC around 240, right? Daddy? 240 to 50 sa bangkerohan, 170 ata, 170, 180 Then, dito naman sa Lots for Less, 215.
15.
At least,
Lots is less than this one.
Hmm.
This puts on Bank Rohan prices is
Yeah.
just telling 240.
so pag may emergency lang, like, gaya ngayon, naubusan na naman kami ng chicken, kailangan pupunta na yung Daddy Ram sa Bangkeruhan. Pwede dun sa Lots for Less kasi medyo mura nga, 215. Pero compared sa Bangkeruhan, 170, di ba? Medyo mahal pa rin. So, baka bukas na lang siya pumunta ng Bangkeruhan. Maaga. Hello! How are you? How's school? Everything good?
Yeah.
What did you do today?
Flag ceremony. I didn't see the guard, you know, the one who checks. I didn't see them.
Okay.
The rest is just the normal one.
Are you the only one not wearing uniform?
No, I think there are a few others.
Okay.
You have a uniform?
Yes. I got your uniform already.
Oh.
Then we need to buy the
Scout.
uniform. Boy Scout.
Yeah.
Because we need to go somewhere downtown area for it. Not available in the school. And then, how about your mapa ng Pilipinas? Did the teacher check?
Actually, tomorrow.
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 Okay. You have project also. Tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the Go, Grow, and Glow. Okay?
Okay. Kwentong bayan na naglalahad kung saan nagsimula ang mga bagay sa mundo.
Very good. Next.
Nabibigay aral at
At nagbabahagi. Nagbabahagi. You did not write it properly here.
Okay.
This should be H,
Okay.
not the N.
Hmm.
Oh. Right there. Nagbabahagi. Filipino assignment tayo, guys.
Yeah. Struggle is real.
Struggle is real, but at least it's English letters. It's not that difficult, right?
Yeah.
You can still read, not like Telugu.
Yeah. This one is supposed to be H, right?
Yeah.
After the A.
Nagbabahagi.
Hagi.
Ng magandang asal.
NG, right? Dag.
Nang. NG.
Okay.
Magandang asal.
Magandang.
So here, you need to read what it is, understand, and then color the apple red if it's abilities or talents, green if it's not.
Yes.
So this is pag-awit.
Singing.
Very good.
How about
So it's a talent. Pagluluto. What is pagluluto? You like to luto with
Read?
mommy, huh?
Play.
No, cook. You like
Oh,
to
yeah.
cook, right?
But now he doesn't cook. What do you mean?
Pagluluto.
Not to color.
Let's read first before you color everything.
Okay.
Pagsayaw. What is pagsayaw?
I feel like I heard it. Dancing?
Yes. Mahiyain.
Oh my god, I don't know this.
Shy.
Shy?
Yeah.
And that's green.
Pag-arte.
Art. That's easy.
No, acting. This one, what is this?
Is that art? Is that
Pagpinta. What is it?
Pinta? What? I never
Pinta.
heard Pinta.
Pa.
Huh?
You like to do it with Ate Ishi.
Badminton?
Hmm?
Play?
No.
Play? painting?
Yes. Dito kami guys sa palengke, malapit sa subdivision namin, and mamimili kami ng baon ni Ryan para bukas. Kasi may project sila, Go, Grow, and Glow. Nutrition Month. Dapat kumpletuhin yung Go, Grow, and Glow. So hanap tayo dito. We can get mango.
It's like sweet. I want sweet mango. Proper
Okay.
sweet mango.
Let's get some vegetables also. Battle Guard. Malunggay. Is it good? It's hot, man.
It's hot. Right?
Always fresh this one. So, ang nabili namin guys, munggo, upo, tapos orange na lang pala. Ang mahal nung mangga. Isa 74. Right, baby? So
Yeah.
expensive.
Yeah, I can buy from Bangkok on better price.
Yeah. So, bukas nga guys, diba, may project sila Ryan na gagawin. So, in a plate daw, paper plate, ilalagay nila ang Go, Grow, and Glow na foods. Etong Grow, dapat diba ano siya, meat, fish, ganon. Pero since na sa school nila Ryan, bawal ang mga meat, dahil nga vegetarian dapat. So, ang nilagay ko na lang sa Grow food is milk, cheese, beans, tofu, yogurt, ganon. And kaya bukas, ang ilalagay namin sa kanyang baon, kasi yung baon nila ay pe-present din nila bukas. So, in the morning, your breakfast is the pasar aturayan. Okay? Yung munggo na parang pancake with peanut chutney. Okay? And then, lunchtime, itong upo with milk na lulutuin ni Daddy Ram, kasi si Daddy Ram ang marunong magluto nito. And some fruit, orange, and then rice.
Ooh, yum yum yum. Yum, 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 yum.
So, yun na. Okay, Ryan, you need to present your breakfast and lunch tomorrow.
Okay.
Maybe we need to put some yogurt also.
Yogurt.
Huh, Daddy?
Small, you know,
Yeah.
it's a box.
Yeah.
Put some yogurt.
Yogurt. Yogurt. I love yogurt.
So, it's complete Go, Grow, and Glow.
Yeah.
Perfect!
Perfectos.
Umalis na yung dalawa guys at nag-walking na sila sa City Mall. Hinihintay namin sila ate. Hindi ko sure kung uuwi talaga sila ngayon or bukas pa. Si Daddy Ram, ang plano nga niya, pupunta siya sa bangkeruhan bukas. Bibili ng chicken kasi nga naubusan na kami. Then bibili na rin siya ng mga gulay, mga isda, ganon. Maaga siyang pupunta, siguro mga 6 o'clock. Kailangan namin ng baon na nga ni Ryan kasi nga around before 7 o'clock dapat nasa school na siya. Kaya mamili na lang muna kami ng konting gulay, prutas doon sa may palengke para lang may babaon si Ryan. Si Daddy Ram ayaw talaga niyang mamili dito kasi namamahalan siya. Laging sa bangkeruhan kasi talagang mas mura. Malaki talaga yung diferensya. Ito yung uniform ngayon ni Ryan guys. And I'm so happy kasi hindi siya puti. Unlike doon sa India na yung top at saka yung shorts ay puting-puti. So ang hirap i-maintain. Ito black. And then red. Tapos ganito pa siya oh. Komportable yung mga bata. Then ito naman yung sa PE uniform. Wala pang available na size ni Ryan. Almost everyday ako nagpupunta sa school nila pag hinatid si Ryan, tapos nagtatanong kung may available na ba na track pants. Pero maliit pa daw. Wala pa daw medyo malaki-laki na kasya kay Ryan. So, we'll see. Try ko na naman bukas pero at least meron na siyang top. Every Wednesday kasi sila magpi-PE. Tapos Friday nga Boy Scout. So 3 days lang niyang susuotin itong uniform nila talaga na short at saka red t-shirt.
Oh my god, this guy is not stopping. He improved so much. Nowadays he's fixing targets he want to reach. What's up, boy?
I'm so tired.
Huh? Doing good, huh? Even daddy stuff is still doing.
Yeah. Actually, the difference between me now and me on day one, there's so much difference. But like literally, before, it was hard for me to catch up to daddy while he's walking or jogging. But now it's basically the opposite. It's hard for him to catch up to me with me.
Yeah, that's true. Because I'm not growing anger anymore, okay?
Yeah.
So you're enjoying?
Yeah.
So initially for starting days you used to scold me inside your heart, huh? Oh my god, why daddy?
Actually, see, I was like so interested in Suli's like, I don't have to do this. But on day 2, day 3, day 4, my motivation started increasing because slowly I see some change in myself. The more I do it, but it's actually not thanks to me myself, it's thanks to daddy. He kept pushing me.
Yeah, that's my job supposed to do. Because I want you to feel the happiness doing exercise and all those things. It's a lot of benefits, not only physically, even mentally. It'll give you more clarity.
Actually, see,
Your stress goes down.
see, before these 3 kilometers, I would already be so tired, like I want to go home. But now, like 8 or maybe like 7 or
8 kilometers.
8 kilometers, it's like super easy now. Like it's push.
So after that you feel tired?
If immediately after that I feel tired, but slowly as I continue doing it and doing it, my body starts to cool down and it feels like, oh, I can do that again. No, I can do that again and again and again.
And sleeps well also, right?
Yeah, like
The moment on the bed,
your
ding.
body feels like, oh, nice exercise, time to sleep.
I'm really proud of you, Ryan. I'm so happy. At least you understand things, so you can continue, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go home.
What is it?
The bottle outside.
Oh yeah.
What did you buy?
It's a lemon water kind of thing. You want it this way?
My god, guys.
Your son is so motivated, so much preaching nowadays.
That's good.
No, really.
Okay.
Water delivery, guys. So loud, I thought here. Are you? Like both of you?
They're here, don't worry.
They came back early, guys, kasi they don't want me to be alone daw dito sa bahay.
That's why we did actually fast. Your son is with full energy today.
It was the most tiring. Like, see, even though we just did 8 rounds, instead of like some walking, me and daddy at the jogging part, we weren't even jogging. We were like jogging and sprinting in middle because I was like, I wanted to finish before daddy.
Good job. Come on, shower time.
Yeah.
Si Ryan, guys, bata pa pero ang mature na niyang mag-isip, di ba? Overprotective ako sa kanya. Minsan napaka-OA na. Kaya napapagalitan ako ni Daddy Ram. Lalo na ngayon na nandito kami sa Pilipinas. Kasi alam niyo naman, may mga ibang Pilipino na yung mindset iba pag nalaman nilang Indiano or may lahing Indiano, ganun. Kaya isang reason din pinasok namin si Ryan sa school niya ngayon. Kasi nga Indian yung may-ari. Tapos yung teachings, may pagka Indian tradition, Indian culture, ganun. So, medyo naging kampante kami. Tapos, dun sa orientation, sabi nila, very strict nga daw sila sa bullying. Yun yung talaga yung worry ko, na baka mabully si Ryan sa school. Pero, yun nga, ina-assure nila na zero tolerance sila sa bullying. Pero lagi kong sinasabi kay Ryan na dapat marunong siyang protektahan ang sarili niya. Kung may nagbully sa kanya, sabihin niya sa teacher or sabihin niya sa amin at huwag niyang sarilinin para magawa namin ang paraan. So wala namang nangyaring ganun sa school nila guys. Pero kanina kasi may mga nakalaro si Ryan. Dito lang kapitbahay namin mga bata. Usually, yung kalaro niya, si Ishi, yung kanyang pinsan, pero wala nga dito ngayon, di ba? Nandun kina mama. So, wala siyang ibang kalaro, gusto niyang maglaro. So, sabi ko, sige, kasi may mga batang naglalaro sa labas, gusto niyang makijoin. Alam mo naman pag bago ka sa grupo, di ba? Pero nasa labas lang naman sila sa harap ng bahay namin. Pinapanood ko lang sila. Yung iba okay, pero may isang bata na medyo makulit siya at inaan niya si Ryan. Yung parang sinasagi or may mga kung ano-ano sinasabi. Pero hindi ko naman masyadong narinig kasi nakaupo ako dun sa my garden area. Then, nung natapos na, sabi ni Ryan, yung isang bata daw sabi sa kanya, may amoy ka din ba kasi Indiano ang tatay mo? So, medyo na-upset yung ating Ryan. Bakit daw ganun ang sinabi? Hindi daw niya maintindihan. So, sabi ko sa kanya na huwag na lang niyang intindihin. Kung ayaw na niyang makipaglaro sa kanila, okay lang din. May mahahanap pa siyang ibang mga kaibigan, ganun. Hindi naman talaga natin may iwasan na may mga ganong makakasalimuhan ang anak natin. So, pinaintindi ko na lang sa kanya na huwag masyadong pansinin ang mga taong ganon at umiwas na lang. For a while, malungkot, pero eventually naging okay na siya. Then gumawa na kami ng assignments niya. Pero I'm really hoping and praying guys na maging strong si Ryan. Yun lang naman talaga ang ating magagawa, diba? Turuan sila kung paano maging strong, mag-handle ng problema, mag-handle ng criticism ng ibang tao, mga negativity sa buhay, ganun. Pero nainis talaga ako sa batang yun. Buti na lang at nung sinabi sa akin ni Ryan ay umalis na siya, kung hindi makakatikim talaga siya sa bunganga ko. Hindi. Yan. Tayong magagawa guys. May mga ganyan talagang darating sa buhay natin. Huwag na lang natin talagang bigyan ng atensyon. Medyo nalungkot lang ako para kay Ryan kasi very friendly yan siya guys. Halos lahat ng mga bata na namimit niya, talagang very genuine ang kanyang kaligayahan na makamit ng ibang tao, ng bagong kaibigan. Kaya nga, very happy ako na nung sinabi niyang marami na siyang friends sa school, ganun. Araw-araw, tinatanong ko yan, anong nangyari sa school, kumusta, may nakaaway ka ba, may naging bagong kaibigan ka ba, lahat. Gusto ko maging open siya sa akin at sabihin niya sa akin lahat kung ano yung mga na-experience niya at hindi siya magtago ng kung ano man. Para alam ko yung sitwasyon ng anak ko. Alam ko kung anong nasa isip ng anak ko, di ba? Yun ang importante talaga guys, kausapin natin ang mga anak natin. Maging open tayo sa kanila, maging open sila sa atin. Advice lang talaga na minsan may mga negatibong nangyayari sa buhay, pero dapat kayanin pa rin natin at always na itry na maging masaya.
Tired?
Of walking?
Yeah.
School and walking. Okay. Say goodnight to guys.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe. Like, sharing the bell icon. Bye. See you bukas. Peace.